In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Emergency numbers are numbers chosen by you that will be accessible from locked screen in case of an emergency. And if you want to add it on this SONY, let's begin. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access this section called Safety and Emergency. Click on it, tap on Emergency Contacts, and before doing anything else, hit Change Setting to make sure this option, Show when locked, is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. With this option enabled, go back, hit Add Contact and tap on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one, drag it to the proper place, and let go. With your list perfectly adjusted to your needs, hit Save at the top right corner. If you want to delete one of your contacts from the list, not from the device, use this X next to the one you want to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can swipe up and hit Emergency over here. Now to see your contacts, so I must click, you need to hold this blue button next to Emergency Info and slide it to the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!